So this is the sheep heart dissection. This right here would be the right atria that the oxygen, deoxygenated blood flows into through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, it flows up through the pulmonary valve, or the semilunar valve, into the pulmonary trunk. From the pulmonary trunk, it goes into the lungs and comes back into the left atria, which flows through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. The right ventricle and left ventricle are clearly horribly different. This thing is slippery. Are different. The walls in the right ventricle are much thinner than the walls in the left. From the left ventricle, we go up through the semilunar valve into what would be the aorta. With the oxygen-rich blood, the aorta has a far wider stance than the pulmonary trunk, as it has more blood that it has to push through. The SA node is right about here. That flows into the AV node, down through the bundle of His, into the Purkinje branches, which flow into the Purkinje fibers, like you can see kind of right in here, that actually makes the heart contract.